What's up, guys? And today we will be playing Minecraft with It's Lisa. I'm just saying he's in the call, and if Llama Spaghetti 2 gets in the call, well, she is in the call, but if she goes on Minecraft, that'll be better as well. And we're building a school on It Lisa's world.
You've been placed on hold.
Who keeps placing us on hold?
It's Ema, man.
And it's the first time we're not actually on a WhatsApp call.
I'm not even in a WhatsApp call. You've been placed on hold.
Can Ema not? It's annoying, like literally. My whole video is probably just gonna hear, you've been placed on hold. Please wait. Ema, listen to this. That's what happens when you get placed on hold.
You've been placed on hold.
Okay, now it's just getting funny. No. Now it's just getting funny. No. It's not even getting annoying anymore. It's just getting funny. Ema, can you go on Minecraft? Because all we can hear is, you've been placed on hold. Please wait. You've been placed on hold. In there. That's how annoying it is. Wait, Shiraz, look. It Lisa, come. Look at me. Oh my gosh. It Lisa, Shiraz, do I do this? Do I put stone slabs at the front of the school? Shiraz, do I do this? No, this is quartz slabs. Look, Shiraz, look what I'm doing. Yeah. Oh, okay, thanks. Now I know what to do.
Anyways, why were we going on WhatsApp?
Because Shiraz,
I'm watching a video.
and he'll put us on hold. No. My recording's not stopping. I'm so happy. I might be able to do some Treasure Wars gameplay.
Oh, no, no. You're recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Okay.
I was trying to tell you, yeah, but Ema kept putting us on hold. No, guys, what do you hear when you get placed on hold?
You've been placed on hold. Please wait.
Wait. You see when Ema puts us on hold, yeah? Do you hear, you've been placed on hold. Please wait.
No, shut that. You know how you like put it around the school? You did that before TSMC Minecraft did.
Yo, oh my god. But besides from that, you see when Ema puts us on hold, does it literally say for you a woman saying, you please wait? No, I'm like, what do you guys hear on when Ema puts you on hold? Next thing you know, you've been placed on hold. No, Shiraz, I have to tell you something. That's what I had. No, I can't lie though. What the way no, when I hear it, yeah, I just laugh. When I do it, awkward silence. Resume call. Ah! Is Ema in the call?
No, I think she's reconnecting.
What do I do?
Eat potato.
I ain't eating your doo-doo. Your doo-doo's ugly. I think, do we do this? Look at me. Why hanging up for?
Sorry, I'm not available. I will call you afterwards.
Is on another line.
Just leave you a message after the tone.
And when you're done, press hash or just hang up.
Can you not be on a FaceTime call? Shiraz, are you gonna add Ema? You've been placed on.
You've been placed on hold.
No, Shiraz, when you're on a FaceTime call, yeah, I call you. Sorry, this person is on another line. Sorry, I'm not available. I'll call you later.
You know the picture then. You have this type of socks as well.
No, but why would you do that with your gloves?
These are not gloves, that's my socks.
That ain't your socks. No way, that's socks.
It is my socks.
Why are you saying the N-word?
Huh?
My brother said the N-word. Wait, why are you still in my room anyway? No. He's been in my room here for 15 minutes and then I keep forgetting he's in my room. Like, why is he in my room? Why are you in my room?
I'm hard. No, but Shaban, those are actually my socks.
Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry, I need to clear out my storage, Jenna.
Wait, Shaban,
Anyway, I'm recording a video. Okay? Wait, my computer's running low on storage. Wait, guys, I might have to pause the video. I'm trying to create storage.
Mommy, wait!
Okay, guys, my storage has been freed up. Now let's get on to the video. So what do I do now, Shiraz?
Anyway.
Mate, I'm the OP Elixir Flyer. No, but I still don't get